Okay, so we are going to study about C language. Okay, so first we have to open a code block and then we have to start. We are going to take empty file. So we have taken. First of all, we have to save it. So I'm going to save it. Uh, let's say test okay, test one.c. So I save it test one.c as a name. Okay, so yeah, it's work. So what we are going to study in C language, first I want to start how to print something on screen. So we are going to use a printf function. This is a predefined function. So first we have to include a header file. In header file there is a declaration of function. Okay. Later on we will study about it. So don't worry about that. Okay. So in void man, this is the main function. In this we will printf. So we will print hello world. Okay. So this is our the first program and we have to end with semicolon. Okay. So our program is finished. So whatever you message want to print on a screen, you have to put the message here inside this one, and this message is going to print out on that screen. So let's see what happened. So first we have to build this. Okay. So this is building zero error and then run it. Okay, so we can clearly see here that the hello world, basically I've done some wrong, so I have to correct it. So first build it and then run it. So yeah, this is hello world, this is printing out. If you want to print something more, you can print hello world, and this is the first program, first program in C language. Okay. So in C language, you can say that this is my first program. So this line will be print out. Okay. So let's save it. First build it and then run it. So yeah. Hello. This is the first program in C language. So it's working. So let's some find more. So first, this one is the header file. Header file is the file where the all the declaration of the function are present there. And this is the void man. Void means the program is not returning something. This is a empty something, and main, which is the name of a main function. So basically every language language program, they must have a single function whose name is main. And in here we can see that the printf, so this is the function which is responsible to print out the message on the screen. Okay, so in inverted comma we have to include this message for whatever you want to print here, so you can print. And then this is a slash n, so this is for new line. If I will do this, okay, what will happen, the cursor will not appear in next line, the cursor will appear on that line. So let's experiment this. So I build it, okay, and I run it. So you can clearly see here the language is here. When I put back or uh, backslash n and again I run it and then run it, so you can clearly see here there is a gap, so it's working. Suppose you have to print some number, how you can print it? Okay, so how you will print? Okay, so the reason is simple. If you want to print a number, means 45, it will directly print 45. There is no restriction on it. But in some variable there is a some store value if you want to print it. So there is some primary data type, you know, that the int, float, double, char, these are the simple things. Suppose I have to print that thing, what will I do is, okay, so let's begin. So we have to reserve a memory. Okay, so in A we assign 5, and in char we assign f, assign a single character, let's say 5. Oh, okay. And in double or float, you can use h we assign 4.345. Okay, so this is our number. What will I do if I want to print this? What I can do here is, first I write printf function. In this I have to include a value, so I use the format specifier. This is for int, we use %d, and we can use here message, we can send a message, the value, the value of a is %d, and we have to specify the variable here. Okay, so this is going to print out the value of a, and again we here mention here backslash n so that the cursor will change the new line, cursor will be on the new line. Again we will print f the uh, value of b, or the f is percent %c. For character we use percent %c character format specifier, and we include the variable f. Okay, and again then we use percent %f, the value of h is percent %f. For float value use, we use float format specifier, that is f, and we're gonna to mention here that variable. Okay, so what will happen if we run this program? So we get this value printed on that screen. So let's see what happened. First we have to build it. Okay, yeah, so this is build, no error is found here, no error found. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so we can clearly see that hello world, this is the first program, that is of the previous message. And in 45 the value of a is 5, and here we can clearly see the value of f is 4, and the value of h is this one. Okay, so in this way we can print some value. This is easy, too easy. Okay, on this screen we can use printf function. Some more function are there, later we talk on. So thank you.